Tigers, just one more week until Thanksgiving break, and we're thankful you're here with us on this at-home edition of TNN. I'm Slate Gonzalez.
And I'm Bayley Perlmutter. On today's show, we're sharing updates on ASB activities, guidelines for a safe Thanksgiving celebration, and we'll take a look at what our athletes are doing back on campus. Stay tuned, Tigers. Now here comes the news you need to know.
If you're still interested in joining clubs this year, it is not too late to reach out and join one. Make sure to watch the new updated version of the Club Rush video on our TNN page to see new clubs and to also look at the ASB website for additional information. If you have any questions regarding clubs, email Eric Santiago Adame at ericsantiagoadame@student.slcusd.org.
The Slow HS Drama Club will be holding auditions for our first all-virtual play, The Party Hop. If you like to act and enjoy being on stage, show up to Zoom auditions Monday and Tuesday, November 16th and 17th at 3:30. Join our Google Classroom with code HEKQFAR for more info.
Last Saturday, you, Tigers, had an opportunity to compete in the Scavenger Hunt activity to win cash prizes. And now, we will be announcing the winners. From the freshmen, congratulations to Alina Ashby in first place, Benjamin Chance in second place, and Allegra Highland in third place, winning $50, $25, and $15.
From the sophomores, Matt Horn wins first place, Alexander Knight comes in second, and Leonardo Zimmerman finishes third. From the juniors, Kia Gildersleeve had the most points, with Sydney Yeager and Violet Emerson getting second and third. Congrats to them.
With the seniors, two people dominated the competition by getting max amount of points possible and tying for first place. Courtney Bloomstein and Jack Walter getting to split $75 between them. Ryan Garcia also managed to win third place. Congrats. And there's still one more prize, a raffle for anyone that participated to win $40. And we're going to do that live now on TNN.
And the winner of the raffle is Honey Jones. We'll contact you and all the other winners on how to get your prizes really soon. The ASB wants to thank everyone that competed for coming out even while it was raining. This was a fun event, and make sure to stay posted on future events.
If you'd like to get involved with more ASB fun and have another chance to win some awesome prizes, come to the SLO High School game night on Tuesday, November 17th at 6 p.m. to test your knowledge about sports, movies, music, history, and more. We hope to see you there.
And here's yet another way to get involved with ASB, and this time you can also do good for your community. The canned food drive is this week, Tigers. This is the perfect opportunity for you not only to receive spirit points for your class, but also help those in need this holiday season. You can drop off your food items in your class designated bins in front of the admin building from 1 to 5 p.m. Bring in specialty items to win extra points, and those items can be found on the ASB Instagram at SlowHSASB. Make sure to wear a mask when on campus.
Tigers, while Thanksgiving may be a fun time for you and your family, just remember that there's still an ongoing pandemic. California guidelines require that no more than 3 households can be present in one residence. These gatherings should be also held outside if possible. Wear a mask and try to maintain at least 6 feet of distance between you and visiting family members, and wash or sanitize your hands frequently. If you have symptoms like fever, cough, shortness of breath, nausea, loss of taste or smell, or any other common symptoms of COVID-19, do not attend Thanksgiving gatherings with people outside of your household. If you develop these symptoms within 48 hours after a Thanksgiving gathering, immediately notify everyone you came in contact with to prevent further spread. Seniors, this Friday will be the last college application workshop. The counseling department has been hosting college application workshops via Zoom from 2:30 to 3:30 every Friday until Thanksgiving break. Zoom links are available through the counseling Google Classroom.
Many of the schools, including the UCs and CSUs, it's test optional, which means if you have a really good SAT score, you're welcome to put it on your application. But if you haven't taken the SAT or don't want to include it, you may. And they would be looking at other things like the courses you took, the grades you got, and some of your extracurriculars. As far as the essays go, many of the schools on the Common App, which is your private schools, they might be asking a question about what you've been doing since March. If school isn't taking up all your time and now, your league athletics have been canceled or your club soccer or what have you, what did you do to make this year different than other years? And how are you using your free time?
And now, please enjoy a brief preview from Slow United, a collaborative choir concert on November 20th with Cal Poly, Cuesta College, and several local groups, including our very own San Luis Obispo High School Choir.
I know the Lord will make a way, oh yes, if you trust and never doubt, He will bring you out. I know the Lord will make, I know the Lord will make, the Lord will make a way.
Tigers, we've had athletes on campus for about a month now, with football, volleyball, cross country, basketball, water polo, and swimming now getting back to working out. Slate chess is looking a little more normal. These athletes are working hard and taking COVID-19 precautions by wearing masks, social distancing, and bringing their own equipment. Here's a look at what our athletes have been up to. Keep it up, Tigers. Hopefully you can put your skills to the test soon. We're totally missing the W's.
Kind of just doing our best to make practices interesting while still being able to do practical stuff in the water.
Alright friends, that's all we have for this week. I'm Bayley Perlmutter.
And I'm Slate Gonzalez. For Tigers News Network, enjoy your week off, Tigers, and please stay safe.